Hey guys, thanks for checking out the channel. Today the video is about seeing if my audio is any better. Been having some problems with it, so hopefully we get it worked out this time. Ooh, careful on this gravel. Don't want to eat shit right now. Man, this thing's a beast. Riding a 2019 Road Glide Special, Vivid Black. Usually when I pull out down here, the audio just goes sideways, gets all cracking and popping and sounds like junk. I got a purple Panda on here now. Oh, don't go in that ditch, dude. I've got a purple Panda on here now. Move the microphone over to my chin piece, or not chin piece, chin. Moved it over to like my earpiece, kind of by my cheek. And let's see if Purple Panda can do a better job than whatever the heck I had before. Garbage. This is sketchy right here. This is solid gravel and dirt, and cars come flying around this corner. It's like the worst scenario you could possibly want. Well, there we go. Wonder if that cracked up or if it sounded good. I don't know. Anyway, I don't want to just talk about the audio. I'm going to take a ride into Virginia City today. You guys go along with me and check it out. It's a pretty cool ride. Man, this thing's got so much power, you guys. Milwaukee 8, 114. This is a hairy one right here. People come flying around this, and it's a really bad zone. Not bad today. Woo, man. You guys just feel the power of that. Too bad you didn't. Try and take these easy. I'm not sure if they got the gravel from the snow off that road yet, so I just stay safe, play it smart. We get a lot of rocks that come off this hill too. Really got to be on your A game riding like this. Especially this time of year, things start to dry out a little bit, rocks start coming down. You come around a corner, next thing you know, you're looking at a boulder. Just got to really be on your game, you know, ready to do that counter steering. And you know, that's something something you need to know, especially riding this. It's counter steering. Just leaning your bike isn't going to do it. You got to be ready at all times, man. Those rocks will just jump out in front of you, and it's like, I mean, look at these. There's a bunch there, but see, man, I've seen big ones. That's the key. A lot of these guys, especially like, I think MC Rider, Moto Man, those guys have some good videos on explaining how the counter steering and how to be ready, tips and tricks. My tips and tricks are about audio today. So if this does work, guys, I basically went to a Purple Panda mic and put it up by my chin. I've got a modular helmet, so a little more difficult to deal with, I think, than if it was just you know, all in one place. But hopefully I'm not just talking and the audio's garbage again. Anyway, so this is VC. The the way it was. Never been here. It's a pretty cool place. Our first tweet was the Pony Express. Pretty cool. Yeah, so this is like an old mining town if you've never been here. Cemetery is down there. I'll try and make different videos cruising in and going to different spots maybe. If you guys are interested in BC. A lot of cool places to hang. Definitely got to watch your speed coming into town. So, this is the town of Virginia City. I want to say it's about 20 minutes, 30 minutes from Reno. Depends on how fast you're going. A lot of tourists come in here. Look at this guy taking pictures. I'm gonna watch that guy. It's a big truck. Pretty cool town. This guy's in my road. Maybe you could share a little bit, huh? You see that as a donkey. It's like everyone looks so loud going through here, you guys. It's like bike's so loud. People are looking, going, dang, that thing's loud. It's alright. All they do is rev it up, scare somebody, spill their coffee. I'm going to show you guys a skeleton in a buggy. Check it out, dude. I saw this the other day. I just said, dude, check it out, dude. Like I'm talking to somebody right next to me. Anyway. Can't edit that out. Hey, dude, what's up? I'm talking to myself. You gotta watch this zone too, man. I've seen people fly. So here's the buggies. Check the skeleton out. Buggy 1. I saw this the other day. It's pretty funny. Where else are you gonna see that? Here's a skeleton in a buggy. It's like an old mansion. It's called Mackey Mansion. That's cool. Mackey Mansion. Anyway, guys, we're gonna take a drive up here, take a walk around the bike, and find a zone. Give you guys an idea what she looks like. That was pretty cool, huh? I'll stop over here by the church. That's pretty slick. It's like a Catholic church. Take you guys, take a walk around this bike. Might as well see what I'm riding, right? Most of you guys already probably know what it looks like, but I'm gonna do a show and tell now. Mr. Show and Mr. Tell. See if I can find a place to park here. Ooh, that's a tough parking. Take a walk around. Make sure she's stable. I'm on a little bit of a hill. That's it. That's my bike. So let's jam my glove in here so you guys don't have my license plate. Does that even matter? I don't know. I guess if I'm not doing anything wrong.